Alright, here we are. I'm gonna do the expansion valve, but before we get to the expansion valve, we have to take the gloves back out, the glove box, and take them to the panel off first. So I don't have nowhere to like sit the camera down. Let me see if I can put it here. I don't know how much of it you guys gonna be seeing. Let me put it right there for now. You know, sir. This is a new blower that I had put inside here, but it look like this blower, the wire, the connector that I put on there look like it's melting. Same thing that happened to the first one and burn it out. Alright, anyway, let's take the glove box out. So I'm gonna need, damn, I didn't bring it. I should go get that little drill from inside. Instead of doing all this little screwing. Alright, I'll get them two out. We're supposed to get two. Alright, now we'll get that out of the way. Now we're gonna take these off. So because I already do it before, you see, I got a cut right there and I got a cut there. Because I did this before. When? I think it was last year. I replaced the expansion valve here. So before I could get the expansion, before I could get this blower box out, I have to cut this off and cut the metal that was on there. I gotta cut that off to get it out. Alright, so now this is where we at. So now I'm gonna need 10 to get this blower box out. I got like one there, one there, one here. I think two up top. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get those out the way. I'm gonna get my 10. Alright, so we're back. I got some tools. I got the extension. I got the 10, I got 210. I got the deep on the shell and I got the swivel. Alright, so I'm gonna start take these. I'm gonna start take them off and make sure everything's good. Oh, so this is where the filter box is. The filter, the cabin air filter is right there in here. So you just push these two buttons, the little clip in, and pull it and take it out. And they oh shit. And I didn't get a filter. Bam. But anyway, I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone to get one. So this is where it's at. Alright. Make them hurt me. Squeeze if the more squeeze too. Don't make it so much. These whining. One more is here somewhere. Oh, it's right there. Alright, where the rest of them is. Any more? Is that one right there? Or is it just a push on? Oh yeah, it looks like one. Alright, so with this one, I remember I gotta put the paper over it. You see that? So I can get it in the socket, so go all the way back up there. Alright, I'll put that right back down there. Any more? I think that is that. Unplug this from the earbox. And I'm gonna unplug this this relay right here. I don't know why this thing looks like it don't wanna come off. Ah, there we go. Get it off. Alright, so what else? Let's see if it moves. Anything that's holding it? No, it's moving. I missed any. I got that. Alright. Alright. It's coming down. It's coming down. supposed to unplug too. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Within 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you get the blower box out. And that's the blower box. This is what control your hair. Make your hair blow nice and cool. This is it. This is the guy. Alright, so let's continue. Alright, so now we're gonna have to take this off. We got some Phillip head holding it in. We got a couple down there, to the side, one at the top. Let's continue. Screwdriver, right? I'm gonna take this little panel off right here. I don't know how much of it you guys can see. I just set the phone down somewhere because working and holding phone is not, I don't have a metal glass and none of that stuff. Take that off. Alright, so I'll take this. I need to take that one off. Probably not. As I said, I did this last year, so when I changed the expansion valve and the evaporator core. See, when you got a car that you can work on and you did one job before, I know you already know how to do it, so then it becomes easier. The next time you gotta do something like this. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. If you can unplug this one too, because you're gonna have to unplug it anyway. This is a that is the temperature sensor, I think it's called. Fuck it. It's called, I think here, temperature sensor something it's called. I remember. I think it's a temperature sensor. Alright, get that out. I think one probably sitting down in here somewhere. Let's try and see. Wait, I think I'm gonna need another screwdriver for that. Alright, I think this one is longer. Let's see. Yeah, one is in there, hiding. Let's see if I miss any. I thought I'd get them all. Wait, this one right here. Okay, who do I missed? Who do I miss anywhere? Feel like I missed somebody. See, I get those off. Look, I can miss one somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? But anyway, alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna release the I think it's a 10. I'm gonna get my 10 on the extension. Alright, got the little pump hooked up already, got the line vacuum. And there is a little 10 right there. I'm gonna release. Oh man, hold on, I gotta use both ends for this now. When you don't have somebody to like hold the camera for you and all that shit, this is what you gotta go through. And then you're gonna be shaking, and then you gotta have people gonna complain, oh, the video is shaking too much. Shut the fuck up, I ain't got nobody to hold the damn camera. Fuck. You know those people that just complain about stuff that you can't control. Alright. Try to pull it out and release it. I should have released some of these bolts so I get to, but then so I get a little room to move. Get a little room to move around. I was trying to do this in one go where I don't have to like cut the camera so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you see that I'm not cheating the game. I just want to release it out of there. Release me. But I'm gonna need both hands for the show. I'm off to cut the camera, so I didn't get it off yet. I'm gonna go back inside and see, cause there gotta be another screen here somewhere. Let me turn the light on this thing. Wait, where my light is. This light ain't much, but it's something. Oh, there goes that little mug. There goes that little mug, yo. Is there any more in there? Okay, alright, so. Oh, There goes another one right there. Cause I know it gotta be something all in it, yo. Alright. So now I see where them two at. One right here. And the other one is in here somewhere. You ain't going nowhere. See? Now that I get them two released, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Where the screw that fall inside there? Where did it go? Ain't going nowhere though. It's in here somewhere. I'll see it's right here. Whew, child. You see that? So this is where the evaporator core is. That's it right there. Looking now. And that's where it comes through the firewall right there and plug into the expansion valve is right behind that wrapped up. So now I'm gonna take that out. Inside here looking good. So I think these two lines that come around here, this one down here, and the one up here, that's the heater core. Them two, the heater core, them the one that control the heat. This is the one that control the air, and these are the one that control the heat. Okay. So I guess it's the same process if you want to change the heater core. Well, the heater core work perfect. Alright, so now I'm gonna take that out. Alright, so I got it released. I'm gonna take it out. See how easy. See how easy it slide out. Oh shit, it got oil in there still. But for some reason the expansion valve not expanding at all. I don't know why. Water keep draining out. It look like water cycle up in there somewhere. I have to figure out. So this is the expansion valve. You see it? I got a new one. I'm gonna put a new one on there. And this is the new one that I put on there last year. But for some reason, I guess because it was clogged up from the first. Yeah. Alright. Let me see how down inside the drain look. Oh. I need a new piece of foam, but I don't have any. Oh, this is where the drain is. That drain, when it's wet, it drain. Go down inside that little hole right there. And then it drain out. Let me see if I can see it from here. It is somewhere up there. That's where it drained from. So alright, I'm gonna get the expansion valve taken off. Let me grab the new one. Okay. So, made in China. Amazon. Send a cup, I'm gonna drink some tea. Yo, trying to do all this stuff with one hand. You see how some people will have their meta glasses on or their phone mounted to their body or something. I don't know how they do it. Trying to do this stuff with one hand. Piece of work. Piece of work, boy. Or gal. Bomba clat, yo. That's it. This is, and you can see that this expansion, the one inside here is supposed to be a better one, because guess what? It got the aluminum, or what do you call it? Copper. It got the copper inside there. This one have plastic. See that one got a little plastic thing in there. This one got copper. And then see, you take it out. Take it out the plastic. Alright, here we go. See that? Copper, plastic. You got the spring down there. The spring inside that one too. See if I can shine some light down in there. You see the spring and all that. Yeah, so let's get it. I'm gonna replace it right now. I got some foam in there. I'm gonna wrap around this one to put over it, so let's do that and get it out the way. And put the foam over it. That's the one that I use. I got this from, I was doing it last year. I got this foam and I still keep them in that bag. All I do is like just cut off a piece, wrap it around it, just like how the whole one, I got that around it, and then the other one is up here somewhere here. This was the first one that was on there before I changed it and put that one on, and now I gotta change that one and put this one on. So this was the first one that was on there. They got the better foam on this thing, but I got this foam from this thing from Lowe's. I think I got this from, if not Lowe's or Walmart. So this was the old one. So now I'm gonna put a little X on the top of this. Yep, and get that out the way and put it back in. So stay tuned, let me do all this stuff and get that out the way. Alright, so this is where I'm at with it again. So I put it back in, put the new one on, and I put it back in. You see it? You see how it is? Oh man, look at the light. So everything is flush and tight together. So it's good to go. So now, all you got to do is repeat the steps and put this back on. So this, as you guys can see, I already cut those out. I cut them out from last year. Remember I told that I changed it last year, so I cut those out. Reason being why I cut it out, because when you try to push it back on or push it back over, then you can't get it back in, you know, it's kind of hard to get in. So what I did, I just cut it off so I can just slide it right back over. And I already tightened that part up too. Let me show you. I already put the bolt in and tighten it in to make sure it firm and seated in the right way. So I already put that in. Yeah, so now when I gotta put this on, it's gonna be much easier to go on. I just line this thing up, make sure that little sensor thing is lined up the right way. Just gotta line it. You see when I say I need both hands to do this shit, you can't do it with one hand. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So you just slide right over it. I got it. And then you just repeat the steps. Put the blower back in and all that. I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy me a filter. Yeah, so just stay tuned while I put that back on and get it out the way. Alright, I get that little cover back on. So that's where we're at with it. Now we're gonna put the glove box in. But when you put in the glove back in, you already see something. You just gotta wiggle it. You know, just wiggle and turn until you get it in the way you're supposed to go. And then you just gotta plug this back in. Don't forget, this one comes from the one up here and this comes from that one. Yep, so that's where we're at with it. You know, you just gotta take your time and work it in. So that's how you change the expansion valve. Oh, I changed this last year. I thought I'd make a video of it where the one that was on there was burned out. The blower motor was burned out. And here we go with this. I replaced it, and see, I gotta cut this off and replace these again. I'm gonna do it right now too. I'm just gonna cut them off and replace it, because this isn't look like it's gone down to naked wire. So I'm gonna cut those off and replace those. I got some connection in there that I'm gonna use and get that out the way. Alright, so you guys stay tuned, alright? Alright, so quick update. You see this little thing right there? Oh man, that what my finger is pointing at. I put a screw on top of it because every time it keeps slipping out of the actuator that control the oh man. It control the oh man, hold on. So it keeps slipping off of it every time. It keeps slipping off. I get a piece of it breaked off. So now what I did, I put a screw on top of it. I found a nice little screw and I put it on it. So now I'm gonna put the actuator back on and make sure this time I'm gonna keep testing it. If I gotta adjust it. I know it's not gonna slip off this time. So there you can see it. Down there, you can see that a little better. There you go. See that screw? I put that screw on top of it, so I know it's not gonna slip off this time. Yep, I don't know what this little piece called. I think they probably sell it, but I don't know what it's called. I don't have time to take all that stuff out to replace it. So put a screw on it, and then let's see when I put it back on what happened. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I guess that part is supposed to have a little piece like this. You see that little extra little part that come up? I guess it's supposed to have a little part like that, but it don't have it on there. So I put the screw on it. If I gotta adjust the screw out some, adjust it in, I know it's not gonna slip off this time. So let's get it. Alrighty. So now we put it on, get it back in. Now we're gonna go through the mode settings, and see what's going around there. Alright, look good. Looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah. Oh, looking good. Alright, I think we're in business. There you go. Oh man. Yep, so there you have it. It worked. It worked. You just gotta use your brain, yo. You just gotta use your brain sometimes. I just like to fix things, so there you have it. Alright. Okay. So now we're gonna work on this. So first what I'm gonna do, I'll cut them wire off. So I have a bunch of connection I'm gonna buy. Get a bunch of them off Amazon. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut this off. I have me. Yeah. Cut them off. Well, I use one hand and I keep on saying using one hand and do all this stuff. Not going to work. So I'm just going to cut it off, put the connection, and do that. Show you guys. Stay tuned. So that's the way it look like. I was supposed to put one of this on this side and I forget. So I still put one on this side anyway. So I'm just gonna still slide it over it and shrink it down. Yep, I forget to put it on that side. Oh. Crap. Yeah, I was supposed to put one here, but I'm worried about that. It's good to go. So that is that. I just got. And that's how you get the box back in, alright? You just gotta struggle with it for a little bit. And that's how you get it back in. You just gotta struggle with it. Once that up there, it catch into place where you can put the nut on it, I guess you're good to go. That one lined up. That one over there lined up. And that one lined up. So we're good to go. I'm just gonna bolt it back in. So the box is back in. You can see. I'm not gonna put the glove box in yet because I'm gonna change the air filter. I have to go to the store to get an air filter, but everything plugged in except for this. This is the fan that go right here. This is for the blower motor. Go right back here, just like that. Oh shit. Oh shit. How much did it come in the pack that I bought the other day? Because I bought them off Amazon, so if there's another one in the pack, I'm gonna see. I better yet. Oh, you know what? I probably can just slide that out and fix. Oh, it can come out. Oh, I'm just gonna fix it. It can come out. These little clips can open. Slide that out. These other little clip in there. Oh, it can fix. Alright, I got it. But as I was saying, I'm gonna get the air filter first before I put that in. So that is it. I'm gonna take care of this part now. Oh my fucking god, yo, I'm not gonna finish this shit today. Alright.